like I say, man.
Hello, en direct d'Asquin, Pays Basque pour la Skyrun 2021. On a la chance et le plaisir, comme toujours, d'être avec Dani Moreno, Timoka, 14e au classement général Golden Trail World Series, mais aussi très favorite dossard numéro 6, avec un potentiel qui a littéralement explosé cette année et que beaucoup de spécialistes vont regarder et surveilleront ce samedi.
How do you position yourself in relation to the other female, maybe more specialized in mountain running, because your strengths are maybe your passion, but a big capacity to adapt yourself, and you are just behind Iris Pesset in the ranking. Comment toi te positionnes-tu par rapport à tes rivales, à tes concurrentes plus montagnardes dans 2 jours, avec ces forces qui sont ta passion, mais aussi ton adaptabilité et puis ton niveau physique, étant donné que plusieurs des grandes favorites comme Blandine Lérondelle, Judith Wider ou Maud Matisse seront absentes?
Yeah, so I'm 14th overall in the series right now, and when it comes down to it, I think what I need to do is just give it my all and be attentive. Focus on losing as little as time as possible on each section, and really just key into my energy through the different parts of the course.
Vu mon classement donc en tant que 14e, mais vu aussi les attentes qu'il y a demain, je pense que l'objectif, c'est assez bateau, mais c'est sincère, c'est de donner le meilleur de moi-même, mais surtout d'être dans l'intensité du début à la fin, de perdre le moins de temps possible sur toutes les sections et en particulier les sections techniques.
And I think what's really key is there are so many different results that can happen that can either put me into the final or keep me out of the final. I think that's what's really exciting about this race is so many amazing runners came out, so I'm just excited to test myself. That's why I committed to being in Europe for a month. And it's, in the end, if I just do the best that I can, I think that's a success for me.
Good state of mind. Il y a tellement de championnes qui sont alignées que c'est déjà super motivant et vraiment un privilège d'être ici. Je pense que quel que soit le score, à la fin, si j'ai la sensation d'avoir tout donné, en fait, la course sera gagnée pour moi, j'aurais fait ma course. Mais attention, parce qu'avec ce niveau d'intensité, en fait, tout peut se passer. Anything can happen on each part of the race. Parlons du parcours qui est plus très intense physiquement que très intense techniquement. Grosso modo, we can say that there are 3 uphills really brutal and 1 really destructive downhill at the end of the race. Donc 3 côtes et une descente totalement fracassante. So you managed maybe to run some part of the race. How do you feel on this track? Because a lot of people, and especially me, can feel that it can really fits you, this type of race. On pense que c'est vraiment un parcours qui peut te correspondre. And Nicolas Darmaillac, the boss of the Skyrun, told us, Dani Moreno, you just have to watch out. Donc Nicolas Darmaillac nous a dit aussi. Comment te sens-tu, toi?
Yeah, I can say I was pleasantly surprised.
J'étais plutôt été surprise, ouais, quand j'ai reconnu le parcours.
Usually when Europeans say something's technical, you're throwing yourself down a cliffside.
Généralement, quand on dit que c'est technique, ça veut dire attention au risque de chute dans la bosse à côté où il y a du vertige ou du gaz à droite à gauche.
So having the chance to see the track was a big. I didn't know how to feel. But I came out feeling more confident than I did, coming into the race, especially coming off of Germany's race.
Je suis pas dans une connaissance approfondie du parcours, mais tout ce que je sais, c'est que voilà, sur un plan global, je me suis quand même bien rassuré, ce qui fait aussi la différence avec le Kimgo. Là, la reconnaissance du parcours pourra vraiment faire avoir un plus à l'intérieur de moi, in your brain. So your body knows part of the race.
Yes, and I would definitely say I am really excited. So there's really only about 2K of really technical parts of the trail.
Il y a juste 2 kilomètres, only 2.
In my opinion, really, really technical.
The two last, the downhill.
It's like the first climb, the very top.
Okay.
It's like 400 meters, really technical. Then the rest is flowy but steep. And then Skyrun, it's 800 meters, 850 meters. And then the rest is not very technical.
Donc à mon avis, il y a 2 kilomètres très très techniques qui sont la première montée brutale et puis la deuxième à la Skyrun. But you are telling us that the 2 kilometers that are the most technical are the climbings.
The climbing is very steep, yeah, and technical.
But you are climbing, so easily.
It's different. You just have you have the steps. My plan is to relax.
Let's talk about strategy.
Okay.
Donc stratégie de Dani Moreno.
Strategy. My plan is to really focus on the second and third climb. I just really think that's where a lot of time can be gained or lost, depending on your state of energy.
So to push between
the second climb and the third climb, the big one.
Ok, donc ma stratégie, entre guillemets, moi, c'est en gros de tout donner entre la deuxième et la troisième grosse bosse. And so we guess that after, you like downhill. On peut deviner qu'après tu aimes la descente.
So once we crest Skyrune, I plan to recover on the technical part, especially if it's raining. I ran it while raining. It's very slippery, can potentially very well end your race if you roll your ankle there. So I plan to recover for a couple of minutes on the technical part, relax, and then just hammer the last downhill. I am so excited for it. It is that is my strength. I ran the downhill and I think it could be run exceptionally fast.
Ok. En gros, voilà, le but, c'est de monter jusqu'à la Skyrune, jusqu'à la rune, pardon, de récupérer sur une portion technique et après, dans la descente, as Dani said, hammer, to hammer. Donc vraiment, marteler, envoyer, attaquer, tout ce qui est possible d'attaquer sur la descente. Et je pense que ça peut vraiment, vraiment aller très très vite. Sauf s'il se met à pleuvoir où ça peut être un petit peu dangereux, on peut se faire une cheville, mais bon, voilà. Quels seraient tes rêves et les courses que tu voudrais découvrir? Golden or not golden?
I think I'll definitely revisit Golden. I don't know if it'll be next year. I really want to do Sierre Zinal.
Sierre Zinal, ouais.
And this year Golden wasn't planned. It kind of just happened. And I just really believe in myself that the best is to come. And even going through this series, this is a big learning experience, and I'm already taking lessons for next year.
Donc il y a beaucoup de courses, mais les Golden n'étaient pas forcément prévus pour moi cette année, donc du coup je prends un peu les choses comme elles viennent, et il y a beaucoup de surprises qui arrivent au fur et à mesure des courses que je vis, et donc en fait je suis assez ouverte à ce qui vient.
And I would really love to win a world championship, and I would love to try OCC. And but still the shorter races. I love running fast, and as you go longer you tend to run slower. So I would say to win a world championship, Sierre Zinal and OCC are my goals going into next year.
Okay, so pour résumer, gagner un championnat du monde, ce serait pas mal. So let's make for the World Championship in Thailand in February. Yeah. Une OCC, c'est quand même sympa. Et puis, des courses sur lesquelles on peut vraiment aller vite. And we are going to remember this word, to hammer. You love to hammer. We really wish you the best for tomorrow. The weather forecast will be not too hot. Il fera pas trop chaud, pas trop de moustiques. Bonne course et on peut dire run, Hoka Rabbit, run for tomorrow. Once again, thank you and have a good race.
Thanks for having me.
Bye, and we can say hi to this guy. See you soon.
Destemida, sumida, ouço os sinos anunciam. Eu sei que na dúvida a verdade aparece, correndo contra o tempo esquece, sem enfrentar, curar padece, rolando escombros, carrega nos ombros o que não te serve, o que não nos serve. Incapaz de entender, nunca disposto a perder, destilo fé onde antes de beber, antes de beber. Enquanto aqueço a alma em devoção, fracos não são fracos ao se darem as mãos. Corrente positiva, frente inconformista, vários aliados sem pegar atalho, gostando ou não, gostando ou não. Eu sei. Pode ser, é claro que ver o que vier, o coração me coloca à prova pra mostrar, não foi tudo em vão. Pode ser, é claro de ver o que vier, o coração me coloca à prova pra mostrar, não foi tudo em vão.
Vivemos num pavio em processo de carburação, motivo pra manter a plena atenção, assíduo na sinopse da nossa condição. Brasil, ainda guarda o grito de libertação, nada vem em vão, tudo vira inspiração para uma nova geração. Quem sabe romper as amarras da irrealidade, marchando de mãos dadas, chega de mãos atadas. Põe minha mão no fogo para os puros que estão na mata. Rimas improvisadas servem como carvão pra manter a chama acesa da revolução. Sozinho sou semente, contigo somos caule, com eles somos galhos e assim seremos árvores. Sozinho sou semente, contigo somos caule, com eles somos galhos e assim seremos árvores.
Pode ser,